Imagine the SUV you thought you knew, transforming into something so advanced it feels like the future has arrived today. This is the world premiere of the 2026 Range Rover. And it is not just another launch, it is the beginning of a new chapter in automotive history. But wait, once you see the radical changes inside and out, you will realize why this SUV is already being called the most revolutionary Range Rover ever built. From the very first look, the 2026 Range Rover makes a powerful statement. The proportions are more dynamic, the body sculpted with precision, and the presence is nothing short of commanding. Its futuristic silhouette tells the world this is not an update but a transformation. Stay tuned, because the exterior hides surprising details that redefine what luxury and modern SUV design should look like in the next era. Up close, the craftsmanship is undeniable. The redesigned grille exudes strength, while slimmer LED matrix headlights pierce the night with unmatched clarity. Aerodynamic body lines improve efficiency without losing elegance, and the rear lights create a futuristic signature glow. But wait, the most breathtaking moment comes when you step inside, where Range Rover has reinvented the meaning of comfort and luxury in ways you will not expect. Open the door and step into a new dimension of refinement. The 2026 Range Rover interior feels like a fusion of a private jet and a luxury lounge. Every surface is wrapped in premium materials, every line is crafted with intention, and technology blends seamlessly into design. Coming next, the interior features will leave you speechless, pushing the boundaries of what an SUV can deliver to its passengers. Inside, you are greeted with massive panoramic digital displays, intelligent voice interaction, and augmented reality navigation that changes the driving experience forever. The seats offer climate control and massage functions, turning every journey into pure comfort. The ambient lighting adapts to your mood, while hidden details reveal true craftsmanship. But wait until you hear about the engine and power systems, because they bring performance to a whole new level. Beneath the sculpted hood lies engineering brilliance. The 2026 Range Rover introduces a new generation of electrified powertrains, combining raw strength with sustainable technology. From refined hybrid systems to advanced plug-in options, it balances power and responsibility. Stay tuned, because when we talk about performance, you will see how this SUV dominates both city streets and wild terrains without compromise. On the road, the 2026 Range Rover is smoother, faster, and more capable than ever before. Acceleration is instant, handling is precise, and off-road systems push boundaries with terrain response innovations. It adapts to any condition, proving luxury does not mean limitation. But the real shock is how it blends silence, power, and agility into one flawless experience, setting new standards for performance in the luxury SUV world. Now comes the part that might surprise you even more. With all this innovation, what will the price of the 2026 Range Rover be? Stay tuned, because the numbers may shock you. Range Rover is targeting global markets, from the United States to Europe and Asia, ensuring this SUV reaches every corner of the luxury segment. This is not just a car, it is a status symbol for the next generation. The Range Rover name has always represented luxury, prestige, and innovation since its debut decades ago. Each generation redefined what an SUV could be, and now the 2026 model carries that legacy into the future. It honors the heritage while introducing technology and design never seen before. But wait, the closing will show you why this SUV is already a legend before it even hits the road. The 2026 Range Rover is not just a vehicle, it is a revolution that blends history, innovation, and future vision into one masterpiece. If you love SUVs, do not miss what comes next, because the future of luxury begins right here. Hit subscribe, join our community, and stay tuned for more groundbreaking premieres. This is only the beginning, and you will want to be part of the journey as the SUV world changes forever.